Kapag nag-therapy kami, tinerapi ako. Ayan o.
Pinapaano talaga namin. Oo. Kailang talaga, ang gusto niya lang talaga dito lang. So, dahil hindi nagpapaano sa ibang clinic. Kaya ayaw niya, gusto niya relocate clinic. Tama na natin. Mango project. Dito sa Marikina. Sa Istang Marikina.
Okay.
Mura lang. Pwede pala ako nag-iintay dito na mag-order dito.
So, if you also want to check up your teeth or braces or just cleaning, you can visit this dental clinic in Marikina, especially if you want to without pain.
Kasi sila, doon talaga, talaga magaan yung pangulo talaga ngayon sa gusto ko.
And it's cheap there, this your so machine meal. It's so good, it really doesn't hurt.
Parang gusto ko nga rin pala yun.
So, if you want, just visit here, visit the,
Lalagyan na lang namin.
on the,
Information dyan yung social media nila sa Facebook. Lalagyan na lang natin. So, mabait na sila. Parang tropa lang mo. Parang kaibigan lang sila. Hindi kayo maintindihan dito. At kung napunong kayo dito sa clinic nila. So, yun lang mga pre. Thank you, no. Thank you.
thank you, mga pa.
Cool.
See, I'm really having like, material one go. I mean, it is real one. That's what it's real.
Yung mga clinic nila. Tapak lang to na. Tapak lang to na lang. St. Anthony Medical
Ano sabi ni Marisa?
So, kung gumala mo na. Okay. Ayaw mo muna umuwi. Tara. So, after na hindi ka mga friend, nakasakat ng tulong muna kasi dahil hindi naman mainit ngayon. Yung gusto niya raw kasi hindi maaga. Kasi, date ko na gusto niya. Gusto namin, lagi iniiwan din muna sa office.
You know what I in Philippines? You walk like this, and all you can hear is big, 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 big. The biggest TV. Because of spectacles, you go to Lithuania, walang ganyan.
Right. Mamit na naman niya yung mga.
It's like in one like beautiful trip. Whenever on the beach, a kid asked me money. I said, that's too hard. Because I didn't have. And he told me, we don't pay the I will tell
Ah, doon namin yung manilimutan dito ngayon?
no, Masina, pero the bridge.
Ah, sa Masinag, hindi dito.
But the view like this, I'm broken. Give me money. I said, I don't have because I didn't break. She said, you show me the finger and run away.
Pipilitin ko na.
Sa kay jeepney, right?
Oo, dito tayo pumakain ng jeep. Saka sa kabilang side doon.
Para mag-go to food, right?
Kaya sa amin.
Meron? Meron wala. Ha?
This is
Meron?
I have some.
Dos? 2 minutes?
Por, ano mo ka, por?
Buy anyone guitar? You like it? Yeah, I like it. But there's
Lagay mo sa message, massage.
Oo nga, may shoot na.
Ayan, yan, meron na. Dito mo ilagay.
Sa jeep for...
Meron?
Hmm,
Malakas?
lakas. Bitawan mo.
Relax dito.
Oo. Bitawan mo lang. Pagod ka dyan, hahawakan mo.
Maririnig na ako ah.
Sige.
Enjoy your handle sweat under the heat. Think of your sugar cubes as your skin. Spray with non-APO and Rexona. Non-APO struggles against heat and sweat, but Rexona keeps you dry under the heat. Also instantly cooling the skin and protected 3 degrees Celsius. Stay cool with Rexona.
What's up mga friends? We received many comments na asan si Sophie, bakit wala si Sophie, bakit we are only alone in the vlog.
Kasi hindi namin makakamilala sa
Yeah.
yung dami request nyo.
Yes, and we've been looking for Sophie kung saan ba siya.